Ever felt like you're constantly fighting for recognition? Like your voice gets lost in the noise, or your boundaries are invisible? We've all been there. That nagging feeling of being overlooked, dismissed, or even disrespected. But what if I told you the key to unlocking genuine respect isn't about what you start doing, but what you stop doing? On Lucid Code, we decode the hidden forces controlling your reality. Today, we're diving into the subtle, often unconscious behaviors that silently erode your power and invite disrespect. These aren't just bad habits. They're psychological triggers that others exploit, often without even realizing it. By the end of this video, you'll discover 4 critical behaviors you need to eliminate to reclaim your personal power and command the respect you deserve. This isn't about manipulation. It's about understanding the game and choosing not to play by rules that disempower you. The first hidden trigger you must stop is reacting to disrespect. When someone throws a subtle jab, a backhanded compliment, or a dismissive comment, our natural instinct is to defend, explain, or retaliate. But here's the dark psychology behind it. Your reaction is their reward. It confirms they've hit a nerve, giving them power over your emotional state. Instead, practice the calm counter. Acknowledge the disrespect with a neutral, firm statement like, "That was disrespectful," or "I don't appreciate that tone." Then, silence. Let the discomfort hang. This unexpected response disarms them, shifts the power dynamic, and forces them to confront their own behavior. You're not engaging in their game, you're changing the rules. This isn't about being passive, it's about strategic non-engagement. You're denying them the emotional payoff they seek, effectively short-circuiting their manipulative tactic. The second trigger is being constantly available. In our hyper-connected world, we've been conditioned to respond instantly. But this creates a subtle psychological message. My time is not valuable. Your demands are my priority. Think about it. Who do we respect more? The person who's always at our beck and call, or the one whose time we have to earn? Start creating response friction. Don't reply to every message or call immediately. Take a few hours or even a day for non-urgent communications. Don't always say yes to every last-minute request. This isn't about being rude. It's about subtly communicating that your time, energy, and attention are valuable resources. You're teaching others to respect your boundaries by demonstrating you respect them yourself. This is a classic power play. By controlling access to your time, you're subtly asserting your value and forcing others to adapt to your schedule, not the other way around. It's a silent recalibration of perceived status. The third trigger, and perhaps one of the most insidious, is accepting bad treatment. We often rationalize, minimize, or simply endure disrespectful behavior because we fear confrontation or losing a relationship. But every time you accept substandard treatment, you're implicitly giving permission for it to continue and even escalate. Develop a zero-tolerance policy for disrespect. When someone crosses a line, whether it's a broken promise, a dismissive comment, or taking credit for your work, address it immediately and directly. Be clear, concise, and firm. Don't lecture. State your boundary and the consequence if it's violated. This isn't about being aggressive. It's about self-preservation and establishing clear expectations. This is about understanding the broken window theory in social dynamics. Small acts of disrespect, if left unaddressed, invite larger ones. By immediately repairing the broken window, you signal that your space is protected and not to be trifled with. The fourth and most profound trigger to eliminate is proving yourself. We live in a world that constantly demands we justify our worth, our choices, our achievements. But when you constantly defend your decisions, over-explain your actions, or list your accomplishments to gain approval, you're signaling a deep-seated insecurity. You're essentially saying, "Please, tell me I'm worthy." Embrace quiet confidence. Make your decisions, state your intentions, and let your actions speak for themselves. You don't need to justify your existence or your choices to anyone. When asked, "Why did you do that?" a simple "because I chose to" or "it felt right for me" is often more powerful than a lengthy explanation. Your inherent worth is not up for debate or external validation. This is the ultimate psychological hack. True power comes from within. When you stop seeking external validation, you become immune to the manipulative tactics of those who thrive on your insecurity. You become the architect of your own self-worth, a truly formidable position. So, to recap, stop reacting to disrespect, stop being constantly available, stop accepting bad treatment, and stop proving yourself. These aren't just tips, they're fundamental shifts in your psychological operating system. Pick just one of these triggers. Implement it today. Observe the subtle, yet profound, changes in how people interact with you. Then, gradually integrate the others. You'll be amazed at how quickly your social reality transforms. Respect isn't given, it's commanded. Not through aggression, but through a deep understanding of human psychology and an unwavering commitment to your own inherent worth. It's time to decode the hidden systems of disrespect and reclaim your power. What's one behavior you're going to stop today to command more respect? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, hit that like button, subscribe to Lucid Code for more deep dives into the hidden forces shaping our world, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss our next decode.